Dear all, I hope you all are safe and well. So, in this semester, we're going to start a new challenges in AI. Okay? So, you all remember tic-tac-toe and the piece of paper. We did it in semester two, uh, in the beginning of semester two. So, in this piece of paper, X AI basically. So, AI was going first. Okay? In tic-tac-toe, we users or human was going first. Okay, so if we click here, we can see that we are the one who's starting the game. The challenge, as I said, we're going to start a new challenges, is to create new piece of paper where AI go second. Okay, how we can do this? Let me start with the move one. Okay, so here, if you want to see, I'm going to to try it again. So if we can see here, I'm starting first. I'm starting first. I'm starting first. Okay, so if we can see here, when starting first as an X, AI was going to any corner. Okay, so this is because it was X. Now in this scenario, we have AI going second. Okay, so move one will not be as simple as it was in the piece of paper. So let me start from here. So AI is going second. Okay, the first move is going to be by us. So let's check move one what it should be. Okay, you need to remember, guys, that we need to study all possible scenarios. Okay, so let me do this here. So for example, if human or X, if X goes in the middle, meaning then O will go to the top left. Okay, now this is the first scenario. Let's try to check if we go to any of these corners. Let's see. So O is going to the middle. Okay, O is going to the middle. O is going to the middle. O is going to the middle. So, second scenario will be if X goes in any corner, then O goes in the middle. Okay, so this is how we create a piece of paper. Then if we try, for example, we still have left middle, right middle, bottom middle, and top middle. Okay, so we need to try each one of these alone. Okay, so if I click here, uh, O will be in the top left. And if I click here, O will be on the top left. So I can write these two in one scenario. So if X goes in the top middle or left middle, then O goes in the top left. Okay. Uh, Let me refresh. So if we go in the bottom middle, O is going in the top middle, opposite side. Okay. So if X goes in the bottom middle, then O goes in the top middle. Okay, guys. Now we have the last scenario of step one of move one. Remember, this is only move one. I'm keep refreshing the page, so we keep trying the move one. So if we click on the right middle, O will be in the top right. Okay. If X goes in the right middle, then O goes in the top right. Okay. So as we can see here, this is all for only move one. Okay, this is all the possible scenarios for move one. Now, if you want to continue for move two, this is the move two. Okay, so this is again, I'm going to try. So this is move one for O. This is move two for O. Okay, now your challenge is to keep move two, to think of move two for O, move three for O, and move four for O. We have four moves for O. To come up with a piece of paper, same as the ones that we studied in semester two. Uh, when the AI is going first. Okay, I know this is new for you. You need to try to keep trying. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me. Uh, the only thing you need to do is to try and check what is going with O. Okay, so every time you make a movement, you need to write it down and to check what is the movement of AI after you click on any of these boxes. Okay, and to write it down. Okay, so I gave you the way to do the move one. You have to think of how to do move two, how to do move three, and how to do move four by yourself.